Saturated cyclic hydrocarbons, also called as cycloalkanes. Note it down, everyone. Cycloalkanes. And the general formula, book it will be not there, now only I'm saying, note it down. The general formula of mind, keep it in now. Saturated cyclic hydrocarbons, general formula is CnH2n. That's all. What is the formula? Everybody? CnH2n. Now, as I told, here, no n is equals to 1 and n is equals to 2 is not existed. So, always n will start from where? All of you?
3.
Starts from, n means number of carbons. Number of carbons. So, starts from where? Mukesh, Sai Karthik? 3. So, write it. So, formula you should tell me. N is equals to 3. What will come? All of you. Substitute in the formula. So C3H2 into 3. So C3H6. So three carbons are there in structural formula, closed structure, cyclic. So what is the possibility? Anybody? What will come? Girls?
Triangle.
It will be a triangle structure. So draw the structure of triangle now and join them. It must be what bonds? Single bond or double bond or any other bond? Single bond. Each carbon is having C, only 1. Okay, now it said 2. Here also this carbon 1 and 2. This carbon also 1 and 2. So each carbon will be having how many hydrogens?
2
hydrogens. 2 hydrogens. So that is what it will be happening. Okay, this is what. Now, can you draw the electron dot structure of this one? It's very simple. See here how I will draw electron dot structure. This is what it is. So it will be having a structure like this. You can mention electrons. Here. Here also same thing. So that's our choice, what way you are representing. So this is what electron dot structure. Any doubt, guys? Clear? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just I'm replacing with the bond with the line. Nothing I'm doing it. Anybody is having any doubt? Please ask. So this is what. Next. C equals to 4. Take it and do it fast and tell me. C equals to 4. Make it fast. C equals to 4. So what will happen? What is the formula? I want to know.
C4H8.
Yes, C4H8. So that is what you have to do it. So draw the structure, all of you. It will come what? It will come what shape? Next one.
Square.
That is one. So remember, first of all, forget about it. This name of this one, name I not taught you. Write it. This is called as structural formula of cyclopropane. What is the name of this one?
Cyclopropane.
Propane. Remember all anes only. Cyclopropane. And this is called as electron dot structure of cyclopropane. This is called as what? Structural formula of that one. Okay. So please remember that. Next, what you are saying now? See, n equals to 4. N equals to 4 means what will come, guys? All of you.
Cyclobutane.
Okay, cyclobutane. So what is the formula will come? Everybody. C4H8. Okay, so the structural formula, what is the name of this one? Cyclobutane. What is the structural formula? C and C and again C. So everywhere it will be having a single bond only. So every carbon is having how many hydrogens? All of you. 2 hydrogens. Draw neatly and you can modify. See, one example also they will never give properly in a book. So for to make you understand more, only I am drawing. So make it and happen. It will be happening in exam also. So like this, if you'll keep on going, cyclohexane. Draw the structure of cyclohexane. Hexane, I am asking. N is equals to 6. I am saying cyclohexane because it is very important. That is what I am drawing. So they will ask you the difference between cyclohexane and benzene. That is why I am teaching you this. Cyclohexane. Can you tell me what is the formula will come? C6?
C6H12.
H12. Very good. So 6 carbons are there. So it should be a hexane structure. How to draw? You see that I am saying. Mr. Pawan, are you able to draw? Simplicity. So cyclohexane, this is what? So all the carbons is connected with the what bonds? Single bonds only. So each carbon is having how many hydrogens?
2.
2 hydrogens. Please mark it. Okay, that is what cyclohexane. Okay, guys. Any doubt? Okay, now remember these compounds basically they all are isomers of alkenes. These all the compounds what I am teaching now. Saturated cyclic hydrocarbons or cycloalkanes. They are having a general formula. What is the general formula of anybody?
CnH2n.
Yes, N. So that is why these are called as saturated cyclic hydrocarbons is called as isomers of alkenes. Note it down. And these are called as, okay, a ring of 3 or more carbon atoms possess properties. So always remember the minimum number of carbons required is how many?
3.
Please. 3. And remember, generally the numbered cyclic carbons are stable. Till 6, it is not stable in nature. So till after where it will be stable? If N is equals to 6, that is why I told you to draw cyclohexane. After 6 only, 6 carbons only, the hydrocarbons are what? Hydrocarbons are stable in nature. So that is why basically we'll start with the N is equals to where, guys? N is equals to 6. That is what? C6H12. C7H14. Next C8H16. So like this. Cyclohexane, cycloheptane, cyclooctane, like that. Basically, these hydrocarbons, saturated cyclic hydrocarbons, are stable. Only the 6-membered cyclic hydrocarbons. Okay, after that only it will be there. So that is why the first member of cycloalkane, from where it will start? Basically, it will start from propane. Okay. So all of you remember the minimum number of carbons required to form the cyclic compounds is 3. So the 6-membered cyclic hydrocarbons only stable in nature. So that is what you can see the first member of cycloalkane. It starts from the cyclopropane, next cyclobutane, next cyclopentane, next cyclohexane and all. That is what you all need to remember. Okay, next. After this one, so you can draw the structure of anything like cyclohexane, heptane, okay, octane, whatever you want, you can draw. But basically after hexane, they will never ask you. So you don't need to worry about it also. This is what about saturated cyclic hydrocarbons. Okay, now saturated over, saturated after who will come, guys? Saturated after who?
Unsaturated.
Yes,
Unsaturated.
unsaturated hydrocarbons. Now, Kindly, today when we are coming to offline class, all of you take the print or else at least soft copy of carbon and its compounds, the notes which I have shared to you. Do you remember everybody?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
As it is very mandatory, please all of you take it and come. So with that, we have some work also. Next, keep heading. Unsaturated cyclic hydrocarbons. Unsaturated cyclic hydrocarbons. Unsaturated cyclic hydrocarbon. Unsaturated cyclic hydrocarbon. Basically, we will start with the C6 guys. Okay, so that is one. So unsaturated cyclic hydrocarbons. So that is why it will start with the 6 because they are only stable. So what is the name of that one? C6. Everybody, please remember. What is that? Benzene. Okay, or we can say aromatic compounds, very important name. Hydrocarbons, aromatic hydrocarbons. Benzene and its derivatives only is called as unsaturated cyclic hydrocarbons, or also we can call it as, what is another name? Aromatic compounds.
Aromatic.
Benzene and its derivatives. Can anybody tell me in exam, suppose they'll ask you, what is the difference between cyclohexane and benzene? What is the difference? Anyone?
Benzene is unsaturated.
Cyclohexane is a saturated hydrocarbon. Understanding? And this one is what? Benzene is a
Unsaturated.
unsaturated hydrocarbon. That is what it contains double bond. There, no double bond will be there. So benzene and its derivatives are called cyclic unsaturated hydrocarbons, or also we can call it as what? What is another name?
Aromatic hydrocarbon.
Aromatic hydrocarbons. So remember, there are 6-membered carbon cyclic compounds. 6-membered carbon cyclic compounds, note it, very important. They are having alternative double bond. What is that? Alternate double bond. That is what very, very important. Okay. So if you remember this word alone, structure will never face any problem. And these are highly stable in nature. Clear, guys? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Even they have a triple bond in one carbon ring also. They'll be, that is what all the unsaturated cyclic hydrocarbons will be like this one. Okay. Now, if you want other examples, which we'll see that in our daily life, naphthalene. Naphthalene is one of the hydrocarbon of this one, unsaturated cyclic, and same way, anthracene. Both are something chemistry you will study. Do you remember that class 9th you'll get it? Naphthalene and anthracene are called as, anyone? For those sublimate products. They are the sublimates. Okay, this creating awareness. Okay, all of you. So right. So first you should learn benzene. Benzene and its derivatives only called as unsaturated cyclic hydrocarbons or aromatic cyclic hydrocarbons. So we must know the structure of benzene. Here there is no general formula, nothing, guys. Only they'll be having, that is what. So benzene structure, formula I will say directly, C6H6. What is the formula of benzene? All of you should learn. Very, very important. Benzene, ene. What is the formula, guys? C6. Okay. So now draw the structure. I will draw C, C and C. Here also C and C, and here C. So first make everywhere single bond. So what is the word I told? Very important word here. All of you observe and tell me.
Alternate double bond.
Alternate
Double
double
bond.
Alternative
That
double
is what you have to remember. So starts from your choice. Okay, carbon 1 or 2, your choice. I'm starting from here. Okay, and if I start here, I should leave here and I should go here. If I have done here, if I should leave here and I have to come here. So this is what alternative. Now, every carbon, select any carbon and tell me how many bonds are already filled. How many bonds are already filled? Check it. Every carbon individually check it. First carbon, 2 plus 1, 3. Second carbon, 2 plus 1, 3. Third carbon, 1 plus 2, 3. Fourth carbon, 2 plus 1, 3. Fifth carbon, 1 plus 2, 3. Sixth carbon, 2 plus 1, 3. How many bonds are over everywhere? All of you.
3 more.
3 bonds over. Then how many bonds are remaining?
1 hydrogen.
One bond.
So that is what it is, will happen, how the structure will occur of benzene. Now, draw electron dot structure so that you'll get an idea how to draw electron dot structure. Okay, always with the hydrogen. How many pairs, guys? With the hydrogen, only single pair. Okay, hydrogen, none can share more than 1 pair of electron, means each one 1. So this is what it is. Now, middle, I started here single bond, single line. And this side what will come? How many pairs will come? 2.
pair.
Okay, that is just I'm changing the color for your understanding. Nothing is there. All sorry, you change the color, shall we need to change? There is no question like that. You can represent with everything, but show difference very clearly. I hope everybody understand. Girls, boys. Sarada, understand Sarada? Joel, Alana, Durga. It's very, very important. Okay. So please note it down. So this is what it is. Anybody is having any doubt, you can ask me. Now, this unsaturated cyclic hydrocarbons, also we can call it as what, guys? Yes, please.
Aromatic hydrogen.
Aromatic compounds. Okay, so if you take the compounds, it will start from basically, you can take again from the 3, C equals to 3 you can take, doesn't matter. So always remember, alkenes in this also, unsaturated cyclic hydrocarbons. Now we are studying what? Alkenes, E-N-E. So it will start from cyclopropane, cyclopentene, cyclobutene, cyclopropane, whatever it is. So what is the formula will come for cyclopropene? Anybody can tell? Cyclopropene. I want to draw for cyclopropane. Cyclopropene. Propene. Yes, please. Anyone?
C3H4.
Yes, very good. C3H4 is the formula. Now, sir, how to find the general formula? I will teach you. Observe very carefully. Remember, number of double bonds. Number of double bonds, I will represent with the M. What is the number of double bonds, everybody? Number of double bonds, how much? Will represent with the M. So the general formula, which is very, very useful for us, for remember, unsaturated cyclic alkenes. That is what alkenes. Hydrocarbons, they are alkenes. Formula is CnH2n. CnH2n minus M. Remember, this N minus M is must have bracket. So this is the formula for it. One you can write, you will understand it. Let me see that. You will understand. So shall we write for benzene now? Benzene is C equals how much? Yes, please. All of you? C equals how much, guys? Benzene C6H6, correct? We all know or don't know? What is the benzene formula? C6H6. Find number of double bonds. How many double bonds are there?
3.
3 double bond.
Three double bonds. Now I will form the formula to make you very comfortable. You can see. So C6H2. Number of carbons, how many? 6 minus double bonds are 3. So C6H2. 6 minus 3. All of you. Formula is C6H6. Have you got the formula, everybody? Yes, please, Laksha. Rudreshwar.
Yes, sir.
Elmukil, understand Elmukil? Maitreyan?
Yes, sir.
That is the formula. So M indicates what here? All of you.
Number of
double bonds. Okay. Now, can you tell me, Mr. Everybody can tell me cyclopropene formula, how it will come? C3H4, we have to do it and we have to make it. So here, M is equals to 1 will come. So if you want, you can draw the structure. So 1, M is equals to 1 will come. So M is equals to 2 will come. M is equals to 1. You can increase the number of carbons. Everybody try. Cyclopropene formula, what will come? It will be, see that. So C equals to 3, H 2 into again 3 minus 1. So what will come, guys? Anyone? So C3, H 3 minus 1, 2. So formula is what? C3H4. Okay. Next one will come C4H. What will come? Anyone? C4. All of you.
H6.
C4
H6.
will come. Okay. Next C5H8 will come. Okay. Next here alone you should remember C6. What will come?
H6.
H6.
C6H6 will come. Okay. That is what we used to say. Benzene. Okay. Benzene and its derivatives only we used to call as. What we used to call? Benzene and its derivatives only called as cyclic unsaturated hydrocarbons. Or we can say what we used to call aromatic compounds. After this only they are stable in nature. That is why we'll start with where? Benzene. Okay. That is you have to remember. Next, same way. Unsaturated cyclic hydrocarbons, all kinds guys now. For your convenience only, as we are studying cyclic hydrocarbons means saturated or unsaturated. So that is why I am representing now all kinds. Okay. So all of you get ready. So now all kinds, the formula will comes, general formula will comes CnH2n minus 4. You will never find anywhere, even in Google also. It is difficult to find, very, very difficult to find these formulas. CnH2n minus 4 is the general formula of, what is that, guys? Unsaturated cyclic hydrocarbons, all kinds. Okay. So the formulas will come, all of you. Benzene will come. The formula is benzene. The number of carbons is C6H8. Butane C4H4. Propane C3H2. That is the formula. Propane, cyclopropane is C3H2. Okay, guys? Yes, please. Butane, cyclobutane is C4H. Anyone? C4? H4. Okay. Same way. Cyclobenzene is C6H8 will come. Okay. So that is you have to remember. The structure if you will draw, you will understand. Only one single bond will be there. So it will be there. Your C6H8 will come. Can I draw the structure of this one? Is it okay, everybody?
Yes.
Yeah. So let us see that. You'll understand. So totally how many carbons? 6 carbons. Okay. C, and C, and C, and as well as here and also C. Okay. Now, minimum how many triple bonds? Everybody?
1.
1. You can draw again cyclobutene also. You can see that I have given you the papers correct. In the papers, very clearly I have mentioned. So let me keep triple bond here itself. Now, this carbon, how many bonds over? 3 bonds is over. Now here how much will come? 1. Here also 1. Here also 1. Here also 1. And here also 1. Okay. Now if you notice it, observe very carefully. This carbon and this carbon, already 4 bonds are completed. Is it yes, guys? Yes, Elmukil, Pradosh, I noticed it or not? And remaining carbons, only 2 bonds are there. So everywhere 2 hydrogens will come. So what is the structure now? Check it. C6, H8. Okay. So formula, you can verify how the formula will come now. What is the formula I said? CnH2n. How much? Minus 4. Okay. CnH2n minus 4. C6H2 into 6 minus 4. So C6, 6 2s are 12 minus 4. So C6H12 minus 4, 8. Understanding? So that is the things. So hope everybody understand. Any doubt, please let me know. Clear? Ishali, Sai? Okay?
Yes,
So this is how you people will write. Always unsaturated cyclic hydrocarbons. Let it be till here. I will stop. Now I will say you the 3 things which is very, very important for your exam and all. That is what? Representation of hydrocarbons, as it is Elmukil asked at the beginning. All of you remember, representation, anything they can ask you in the exam. Representation of hydrocarbons. Always remember 3 ways we can represent. One is molecular formula, and another one is structural formula, and last one is condensed formula. Are you understanding, guys? Condensed formula, and middle one more thing will come. Representation. What is that, anyone? Electron dot structure. Okay, so for everything, every compound what we are going to study, you have to learn all the 4 ways. Molecular formula, for example, if I say ethane, what is the molecular formula? Let me take methane. Methane is the simplest one. Methane, example, what is the formula? Molecular formula? CH4. Okay, structural formula H, and again H. Okay, next, electron dot structure. Electron dot structure means CH, here also H. This you can keep side by side, okay, so that you can understand. Clear, guys? Yes, so that is what it is. Now, sir, condensed formula means, again for methane alone, it will come like this only. For example, if I'll say butane, example I'm saying, what is the molecular formula of butane? Everybody, butane, C4H10. Okay, now just for your convenience, I'm saying condensed formula will come like this: CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. Okay, structural formula, if I'll remove the bonds and if I'll write, that is what we used to call as, what we used to call, guys? What we used to call? Condensed formula. Is it okay, Elmukil? Kevin?
Sir.
Yeah. So for every compound, you all need to know all the 4 things. Otherwise, exam, we cannot make it. So this is what cyclic and cyclic saturated, cyclic unsaturated, normally saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons. So if you'll understand this, then till here, wait, sir, so cyclohexane, 1 minute, hexane, this is hexane. Cyclobutane, it is wrong. Cyclohexane I not drawn. You want, you can draw, Kevin, okay? If you want, you can draw, that doesn't matter. Yeah, hexane means it's a butane only. It is a, because, sorry, benzene only, because C6 means hexane will come. So that is correct only. You can. So this is what about it, guys. So till here we complete it. Then we'll will go to the naming of hydrocarbons. That is what nomenclature of hydrocarbons. So from next, it will be goes very important for our board exams. So till here, I'm going to stop. From here, we'll continue in the next class. Thank you, everybody. So by afternoon, as I told you, bring your notes, everything. At least till 10th page, you must be having hard copy. If it is having hard copy, I'll be happy. If it is having soft copy, might be not. If it is hard copy, you can at least see the things. So at least till 10 page, 25 page notes, at least 10 page try to have. If not possible, come with the soft copy. Thank you all. We'll meet in afternoon. Bye, everybody.
Thank you.
This coming time.